Hello, my little brainers. Welcome to your channel, Coding for the Little Brains. Through this channel, I share the basics of programming for kids and absolute beginners. After seeing my last video, some of the parents have mailed me asking, is there any app where they can introduce programming to their kids? I'm actually very happy seeing that parents are interested in introducing coding for kids. So today, I have come with an app made by Scratch. This app can be used from kids of 4 years of age. So please don't think that 4 years is very too early for the kids to start learning programming. You might have heard this quote by Steve Jobs. It goes like this: everyone should learn coding because it teaches you how to think. If you introduce coding to the kids at an early age itself, it will definitely increase their thinking ability. It will also enhance their logical and analytical thinking, decision making skills, and problem solving skills. So now let's go and see how this app works. Now let's see how to use the Scratch app, the Scratch Junior app to be precise. You can download this app from the Play Store for Android devices and App Store for iPad. Unfortunately, this app is not available for iPhone. Once installed, you can click on the icon to open the app. If you are opening the app for the first time, it will be asking for some permissions to access photo or to use the microphone. You can give that and open the app. Now this is the home screen. I'll click on the home button. The USP of this app is that in order to explain this to your 4-year-old, you don't really have to know programming. There are enough tutorials available in the app itself. So let's see how to access these tutorials. You can see this question mark over here. Click on the question mark. See, there are so many tutorials available which are made by the Scratch team itself. So you can click on one of the tutorials and see how it is going. This is a farm. So they have written here, tap them. So let's see if I tap.
Oink, oink, oink.
If I tap on the pig, it is doing like this one. If you have already watched my previous tutorial for the web version, this screen will look familiar to you. So this is the place, this one. This is the place where all your sprites will be available. And this is the place where all your scenes will be available. You can add a maximum of 4 scenes. And this is the place where we do programming, this area. And these are all the programming blocks made available for us. To add a new sprite, click on this plus sign. All the available sprites will be listed here. You can select one, double click, and it will be added to your program. And if you want to change the background of your program, click on this symbol next to this text and select the available background. Now in order to add a new scene to your project, click on this plus sign and new scene will be added. And the main interesting thing here is that why I said you don't really have to know programming, because if you see each and every block, it's correctly written, it's perfectly written what that particular block is doing. So now let's see how to analyze each and every programming block. Now if you see for the pig, the first block used is the yellow one with the finger tap. So see, click on that. See, start on tap pig. So that is the first action they are doing here. And then there is a mic. So where can we see the mic? In the sounds. Go to sounds and click on the mic. This will play the recorded sound. So this means, this particular thing means, this one means when you tap on the pig, the recorded sound will be played. Again, there is another block where the tapping is done, and they have some movements going on there. So we'll go to the motion block, that is this one. No, sorry, the blue block. So here, find that block. If you see here, it's hopping. So hop 6 times, hop 1 time, and hop 4 times. So let's tap on the pig and see how it is working.
Oink, oink, oink.
See it? First it has hopped for 6 times, 1 time and then 4 times. So likewise, you can analyze the programming done for each and every sprite available in the tutorial. And then you can explain to your kid. This is the portion where all your created projects will be displayed. To access one project created by you, click on the plus sign. Now you can see a symbol of a book here. So click on that. They have made available the interface guides also. So if you go here, you can see the interface guide here. The paint guide is also here. This paint editor guide is used to create a particular sprite. If you want to create a sprite which is not available in the list, this is the guide for the programming blocks. The explanation for each and every block is written here, so you can read this one also. So I'm not going to drag this tutorial too long. Once you go through these tutorials, you will be able to explain to your 4-year-old or 5-year-old how to do this programming, and they will pick up, believe me, they will pick up within no time. I hope you have liked today's tutorial. Please try introducing this app to your kid. I'm sure they will like it. And if you have any queries, or if you want me to do any more new tutorials, please comment below or mail me to vijinath@gmail.com. That's vijinath@gmail.com. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Coding for the little brains. Please share, like, and subscribe.